Hi, I'm Charlie LaRosa, a member of the value team here at GAMCO, and here's our take on the markets for February 2022. U.S. stocks closed lower for the month of February as inflation and monetary policy implications continue to be key fundamental risk for investors. Russia's invasion of Ukraine sent shocks throughout global markets, marking an escalation to a conflict that began in 2014. This represented the largest military assault by one European state on another since World War II. Market volatility spiked as investors gauged the economic impacts of war. Russia's invasion of Ukraine is an unprecedented move of aggression by President Vladimir Putin, who is now plagued with a plethora of new sanctions from the US and Europe aimed at restricting Russia's economy. Despite Ukrainian resistance holding firm, Russia has intensified its assault. Although a more hawkish Fed has already been a main theme for markets this year, the rise in January's U.S. Consumer Price Index may be an indication that the Fed could be more aggressive in raising rates than originally anticipated. The U.S. Consumer Price Index rose 7.5% year on year, leading to the largest annual increase in inflation in 40 years. The probability of stagflationary outcome in the U.S. has likely risen. COVID trends improved during the month, with cases dropping roughly 90% from a pandemic record set just over a month ago during the spread of the Omicron variant. To date, 215 million Americans are fully vaccinated, representing roughly 65% of the population. Speaking to the macro-level factors which impact our GAMCO all-cap value portfolio, we have no direct exposure to Russia or Ukraine and de minimis exposure in holdings for which sales in Russia or Ukraine are greater than 5%. We continue to weigh the broader impact of these events on global growth, inflation, and interest rates. After several false starts, a rotation from growth to value may finally gain traction and provide a tailwind for the appreciation of undervalued, cash-generative entities we favor. As value investors, we continue to navigate the current market volatility as an opportunity to buy attractive companies which have positive free cash flows, healthy balance sheets, and are trading at discounted prices. Please be sure to subscribe to Gabelli TV and visit us online at www.gabelli.com.
Investors should carefully consider the investment objectives, risk, charges, and expenses of the fund before investing. The prospectus, which contains more complete information about this and other matters, should be read carefully before investing. To obtain a prospectus, please call 1-800-GABELLI or visit www.gabelli.com.